Why is climate change in the Arctic and Antarctic different? To begin answering this question, we should start by defining the Arctic and the Antarctic. The Arctic, whose name comes from the Greek word Arcticus, which means of the north, is a region around the North Pole. The Antarctic comes from the Greek word Antarcticus, which means opposite of the north, and is a region around the South Pole. The Arctic seems to be melting faster compared to the Antarctic because of various reasons. One of the main reasons why the Arctic looks as if it is melting faster than the Antarctic is because of the structural differences between them. The Arctic is a block of ice surrounded by land, while the Antarctic is a land covered with thick ice that is surrounded by oceans. This means that the Arctic, unlike the Antarctic, has water below the block of ice instead of land. What the block of ice has below plays an important part in the rate of melting between the two places because of the fact that the water around the Arctic is warmer than the frozen land in the Antarctic. This causes the block of ice in the Arctic to melt faster than the Antarctic. As the block of ice in the Arctic melts, it causes the atmospheric pressure gradient to become weaker, causing lower wind speeds in the Arctic. A strong jet stream around the Arctic helps contain cold air in the polar regions. A weak jet stream allows cold air to move further south and warm air to move up north. Since the jet stream is becoming weaker in the Arctic, it makes the Arctic lose cold air, making it melt faster than the Antarctic. Not only that, the melting sea ice causes more absorption of radiation in the Arctic waters, causing them to melt at a faster rate than before. Through these different processes, now the ice in the Arctic is mostly fragile first-year ice which could be easily broken. These are not all the factors that cause the rate of melting to be different in the Arctic and the Antarctic, but these are some of the main factors that causes the Arctic to have a higher rate of climate change, the rate of melting, to be faster than the Antarctic.